wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best headlight restoration kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10 with the included sponges, polish and sanding pads. Using the Sonax 405941 requires a quick 3-step process. Because you only need to dab a small amount of the wax to the application pad, this bundle should allow you to perform restorations on multiple vehicles. It comes with cloths pre-treated with sealant and extremely fine sanding discs. However, it doesn't come with a UV protectant. At number 9, it may take a couple of hours to achieve best results, but Vivid Renewal can leave your lights looking as though they just left the factory. All you need is a drill and just about any common household cleaner to get to work. It includes 2 pouches of UV coating and is a simple 4-step process, but the wiping pad is weak and flimsy. Coming in at number 8 in our list. As long as you're not afraid of applying a little bit of elbow grease, RainX Restoration is capable of removing that pesky yellowish haze that plagues lots of vehicles. It comes with plenty of cleaning solution for multiple applications too. You get 3 different grades of sandpaper and the durable pads last a long time. However, it doesn't include enough lubricant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Headlight Restoration Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Philips Complete is great for anyone whose car is regularly exposed during bright blue sky days. Sunlight is the chief culprit behind the yellowing and clouding of lenses, and the cleaners in this set help reverse that damage. It provides long-lasting results and no power tools are required, but the process can take a while. Moving up our list to number 6, a comprehensive set that covers all the basics. Turtle Wax 50764 requires just 15 minutes per lens. This system works well enough for all but the most dirty and scuffed surfaces, though you will need to have a drill handy to make use of it. It includes sealing wipes to prevent future damage and a drill arbor. However, it's not effective on severe scratches. Halfway up our list at number 5, the 2 bottles included with trinova CleanProof that you don't need a complex or expensive system to counteract the buildup of residue and eliminate cloudy discoloration. It's easy to use and the results are virtually immediate. The polisher doubles as a sealant and it provides long-lasting sun protection. It's an impressive value for the cost. At number 4, the cleaners and protectants in Mother's nulens are designed to help you cleanse and polish your car's headlamps, but they'll also work with tail lights, turn signals, motorcycle windscreens, helmet, face shields, and other clear plastic surfaces. It comes with a washable and reusable polishing tool and a power ball that fits any cordless drill. It's a good price for all that's provided. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Unlike many ostensibly similar options, you don't need any tools to use the Sylvania kit effectively. The process relies on a series of potent chemical solutions that first strip away gunk and then polish any rough patches. It can more than double the beam range and application takes only 30 minutes. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Headlight Restoration Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, rather than spending money unnecessarily on replacement lenses, the 3M system can help you save your existing ones. It's inexpensive, easy to use, and is popular among auto maintenance professionals and everyday consumers alike. It includes a quick-acting polishing compound, clear and simple instructions, and a highly effective wax protectant. And coming in at number 1 on our list, wielding a reputation as one of the go-to options for tackling serious yellowing, McGuire's Heavy Duty comes with the company's proprietary coating spray, which prevents reoxidation for up to 1 year, so you don't have to redo the process too frequently. It includes a thick wool buffing pad and a good quality microfiber towel. It improves beam brightness noticeably. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Headlight Restoration Kits, or simply click beneath this video.